Grilled cheese Sammy with a side of tomato soup. Let's get into it. First, you want to grill up all your veggies on your Charbroil griddle. Then hit them up with avocado oil and salt, pepper, garlic. Now pull them off to the side and get them in the blender. Now add some vegetable broth, some sugar, and blend it up. Then you're going to throw this in a pot to heat up and add some heavy whipping cream. Give it a stir and then set it aside. Now go and add butter to that griddle and throw on your sourdough bread. Now add your cheese of choice. Make sure you butter the other side of that bread and then let it melt down. Now you're gonna go ahead and give it a flip, let the other side melt down, and just watch and drool. Now you're gonna go ahead and pour your soup. You're gonna go ahead and dip your Sammy, and you're gonna enjoy, fam.